Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into my production. We have a lot to talk about, so follow me.
Counting money, counting fame, counting cars and counting chains. What's it worth without his love? Without his love.
So we're going to be packaging up some orders. I'm going to be letting y'all in on the latest news and what's to come for 2026. We got a lot in store for Lady Euvoia brand. We're working on redesigning the labels, introducing new products for the Sacred Crown collection. Also, most importantly, we currently working on redesigning our website. Make sure to check it out. We are currently offering 50% off all products. Get yours while supplies last. The reason for all these changes is because as the company begins to mature, we want to give our brand a more upscale design and look. This is the process of becoming a successful business owner. Comment down below if you have any New Year's resolution or goals for your business. I would love to support in any way that I can. Also, I'm looking for some new partnerships for my women empowerment programs I have in store for next year. This part of my production is sealing off my infused floral crown oils. I do this process because you want to make sure your cap stays secure and also nothing spills or leak out. I know this looks like a luxury brand, but trust me, it's very affordable. The heat gun takes a little while to heat up, so oops. After I get done sealing up everything, I put these cute little tags on my products, just to give it a nice little touch. One thing I forgot to do with these bottles is unscrew the cap and then place the tag on the bottle. The reason I do that is because it stops the tags from moving when you're putting it in the little baggies that I have. This is another time-consuming process. Trying to get those bottles and the tags and make sure everything stays neat, but I do this process because it also helps protect the oil from dripping, just so it won't get in the box or in the bags as it's going through the shipment process. When you purchase the bundle, we package it up and make it look really nice for you. We add little small touches like a thank you card and a bag of candy. We also have these little bags that we use to package the smaller orders, like the oil, the Eden oil and the Floral Crown oil. I really like these bags because I like it has the logo on it. We're going to be updating those as well. Also changing the boxes to go with the flow of the redesign of Lady Euvoia. Don't forget to check out the website, LadyEuvoia.com. 50% off everything. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for your support and happy holidays.